Hi guys, ClickUp and Notion are two project management tools, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I will explain the main differences between Notion and ClickUp and will consider 9 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. Whichever tool you choose, we will leave a link below in the description. You can use it. You can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Risk free. And thank you for using the links in the description. Bots considered all-in-one productivity tools that combine Kanban-style boards with time tracking, document management, collaboration, and task management. First up, if we look at the backend structure of each tool, you will see that Notion is based on pages, and these pages can contain databases, whereas on ClickUp, it's the other way around. You have databases that contain pages or docs. By looking at the structure of these two tools, we can better understand how best to use the tools and whether they would work for you. For the user interface and user experience, Notion has a simple user interface that's easy to understand. ClickUp has a very clean design, but it does take some time to get used to. There are just a lot of options available that can get confusing when you first create an account. Over time, you will learn how to use ClickUp and navigate it, so users definitely need some tutorials before using it. You can watch my ClickUp tutorial, link in the description. Bots have drag and drop functionality, making organizing projects and tasks much more straightforward. And for the templates and board views, the difference between views and templates is simple. While views change the way you visualize tasks, they still present you with a blank state. It's your job to add tasks, fields, etc. However, templates are designed for specific use cases. For example, there may be a template for meeting notes or construction management. They come with pre-made tasks and fields. You just have to add your own data. Both ClickUp and Notion offer templates for various types of projects in a variety of board views. However, ClickUp beats Notion because it provides more board views and a more extensive template library. Notion, for example, lets you add various views to a single board, such as list, timeline, gallery, and calendar. Meanwhile, ClickUp has more options than Notion. There are over 100 templates to pick from and numerous view choices such as board, calendar, activity, Gantt, mind map, timeline, workload, table, and lists. And for the databases are where Notion really shines. Yes, you can create databases in both apps, but pretty soon you will see Notion's flexibility and whole bunch of cool features. In comparison, ClickUp is more simplistic but does have some unique features like the whiteboard. Whiteboards are great for getting a bird's eye view for your projects, tasks, and your team's workflow. And for the time tracking, ClickUp does time tracking natively and makes it a feature that's insanely easy to use. Thanks to the quick access button, you can start tracking time anywhere in the app. When tracking time from the task view, you can also add estimates for how long a task will take. The cherry on top are the insights ClickUp lets you piece together from all the time data it collects. You can even use this information in Workload view to ensure none of your team members is overworked. Though there are ways to implement time tracking in Notion, like using formulas, but there is no accessible, easy to use option that you can use. And for the personal organization and notes, ClickUp is not bad for personal organization, but it may be a bit over the top. Most people don't need all the features it offers, and the user interface can also be a bit confusing. For organizing your life, creating to-do lists, writing down notes, and simple personal projects management, I would choose Notion over ClickUp. Sure, ClickUp does allow you to write notes by choosing the doc view, but it's not meant primarily for taking notes. Notion, on the other hand, allows you to write notes on blank spaces. You can add multiple views to a page, add a to-do list under a note, and add a calendar under to-do lists. And for the automation, Notion offers no built-in automation. If you want to automate parts of your workflow, you have to use a third-party tool like Zapier or Automate.io. This makes Notion only suitable for projects that require minimal automation. With ClickUp, automation is built into the platform and can be used on projects, and this will help the team save time spent on repetitive tasks. This is a great advantage because it allows users to save time by staying within one project management system instead of switching between multiple tools. And for the collaboration, ClickUp is better for team collaboration. Everything is streamlined to help teams save time and be more productive. ClickUp claims it helps teams save 1 day a week. You can assign tasks, set due dates, create public chats for the whole team and private chats with specific members, comment on tasks, tag people in comments, and a lot more. You can also assign rules and grant permissions. Both of these project management tools offer some fundamental user rules. However, ClickUp offers a more granular approach with its custom rule feature to customize advanced permission. This feature allows you to create custom permissions for each team member and even define which actions they can take on different projects. You can also add an unlimited number of custom fields to any team member's profile. With Notion, on the other hand, you have limited built-in user rules, editor, commenter, and viewer, and can only grant members specific capabilities based on those rules. And for the integrations, integrations are important when we talk about project management platforms, as they can help transfer data between multiple platforms and automate tasks, saving time and effort. Both ClickUp and Notion are offering native integrations. Like ClickUp can integrate with Slack, GitHub, Google Drive, Timely, and more. Notion can integrate with Slack, GitHub, Trello, Jira, and more. ClickUp offers tons of native integrations, unlike Notion, which is a significant advantage for ClickUp. And for the pricing, ClickUp's free plan lets you create up to 5 spaces and an unlimited number of tasks, but you only get 100 megabytes of file storage space. Also, when you grant guests access to your boards, you must give them full access. You cannot create custom permissions on the free plan. Other limitations include only 100 automations per month. The premium plans are unlimited $5 or $9 per month per member, the business plan $12 or $19 per month per member, the business plus $19 or $29 per month per member, and also the enterprise plan, which is custom, so you need to contact the sales team. If you pay yearly, you will pay the lower price per month. If you pay monthly, you will pay the higher price. The business plan gives you additional perks such as 10,000 automations per month versus 1,000, and the ability to create goal folders. To see the full comparison between plans and for updates pricing information, check out the ClickUp pricing page, link in the description. Notion's free plan will be sufficient for most people using Notion for personal use. For teams, pricing starts at $8 per month per team member, which is more expensive than ClickUp's starting price for teams. There is also a custom enterprise option. The new business plan is designed for companies that want to unite several cross-functional teams in Notion and need enhanced admin controls. Check out the Notion pricing page for more information, link in the description. So pricing is somehow quite similar for both Notion and ClickUp. It's mostly a matter of what features you desire. So choosing between ClickUp and Notion depends on your business and your needs. Both ClickUp and Notion are good productivity solutions for teams of all sizes. ClickUp wins with slight edge, offering more features and integrations with other products. My recommendation for team management and collaboration, always go with ClickUp. You will get more done and it can be cheaper depending on the plan you choose. However, for personal note-taking and organizing your life, just stick with Notion. It's easier to use. Whichever tool you choose, we would recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video helped you out and bye bye.